Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Layer Tech channel. The Mac Studio Ultra is the most powerful workstation for creators in 2025. Apple has designed it specifically for professionals who need extreme power. Whether you are a video editor, a 3D artist, or a music producer, this machine is built to handle your toughest tasks without breaking a sweat. At the heart of the Mac Studio Ultra is the M3 Ultra chip. This chip is a game changer, offering performance that is nearly twice as fast as the previous generation. With up to 24 CPU cores, 76 GPU cores, and 190 TB of unified memory, this computer can handle multiple 8K video streams, complex 3D rendering, and high-end music production with ease. The M3 Ultra is also highly energy efficient, ensuring that you get maximum power without excessive heat or noise. One of the biggest improvements in the 2025 model is the cooling system. Apple has redesigned the airflow, making the Mac Studio Ultra run quieter and cooler than ever. Even under heavy workloads, it remains whisper quiet, allowing creators to focus on their work without distractions. This is a major upgrade for those who work long hours on intensive projects. When it comes to storage, Apple has packed the Mac Studio Ultra with blazing fast SSDs. You can get up to 8 GB of storage, ensuring that you have enough space for all your projects. The read and write speeds are incredibly fast, which means you can access your files instantly. No more waiting for large files to load or render. The connectivity options on this machine are impressive. It comes with multiple Thunderbolt 4 ports, USB-C ports, an SD card slot, and even an HDMI 2.1 port. This means you can connect multiple monitors, external hard drives, and other accessories without any limitations. It also supports Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 530, ensuring fast and stable wireless connections. Apple has also focused on making the Mac Studio Ultra environmentally friendly. It is made with recycled aluminum and uses energy-efficient components. The power consumption is lower compared to other high-performance workstations, making it a great choice for those who care about sustainability. For video editors, the Mac Studio Ultra is a dream machine. With its powerful GPU and optimized Final Cut Pro integration, editing 4K and 8K videos is smooth and seamless. Rendering times are significantly reduced, and color grading is more efficient than ever. Motion graphics artists will also love the power of this machine, as it can handle complex animations without lag. 3D artists will find the Mac Studio Ultra to be a perfect fit for their workflow. Whether working with Blender, Maya, or Cinema 4D, this workstation delivers top-tier performance. The high TUU core count ensures fast rendering, while the massive memory allows you to work on large scenes without slowdowns. Real-time previews and ray tracing work flawlessly, making the creative process smoother and more enjoyable. For music producers, the Mac Studio Ultra offers incredible processing power for DAWs like Logic Pro, Ableton Live, and Pro Tools. You can run hundreds of tracks with multiple plugins without any lag. The improved audio engine ensures crystal clear sound processing, making it an ideal choice for professional studios. The Mac Studio Ultra also pairs perfectly with Apple's Studio Display. The 5K Retina display offers stunning visuals, accurate colors, and a smooth workflow. The combination of these two products creates the ultimate workstation setup for creatives who need top-quality displays for their projects.